Hello and welcome to a new episode of Trains Out. And today we're at Cardiff Central on the South Wales Mainline. I do apologise. We're seeing services from Transport for Wales, Great Western Railway, and that will be it. There won't be any cross-country services, and there won't be any freight, unfortunately. There was a steel train that went through earlier, fully loaded. I passed that on my way from Bristol Temple Meads. I probably won't spend too long here, but I'll sort of aim to catch bits and bobs of absolutely everything. I apologise in advance for the butchering of many a Welsh name. So there goes 152.27 with a terminating service from Bangor, and there goes 152.31 off to some far and distant land in Wales. Once I get myself all sorted out and ready and raring to go, some of the names I'll be able to do with a little bit of confidence. Some of the others, you're about to watch an Englishman annihilate another language, because just the way that some of the Welsh towns are pronounced, I've got absolutely no chance at all. You've probably got a greater chance of the Pope converting religion than you ever will of me getting a lot of these Welsh towns pronounced correctly. So without any further ado, let's see what shall turn up and what tongue twisters await me. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is the late running 1519 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. It's running 10 minutes late and is worked by 800 310. I actually saw this unit at Didcot Parkway on the morning on which this video was, on this day. So I've done Didcot Parkway, Bristol, Temple Meads and Cardiff today. Cardiff being the last one of the day. And as I say, 800 310 is what I caught this morning when I was filming at Didcot. Okay, with the sun right in the wrong place, we now have departing 152.50 with the 1531 Transport for Wales service from Penarth to, wait for it, Bargoed? One of the two. You love it, really? Oh dear. Everywhere I go, they love the beard. I made a mistake earlier. You will be seeing services from cross country. They'll be doing Cardiff to Gloucester runs and back, because just about there, if you can see that, I don't know if you can actually, because I'm struggling to see on the screen. Well, look behind the fence anyway. There's a cross country turbo star, so that'll be making an appearance imminently. Okay, the next train to arrive is a terminating Transport for Wales service from Rhymney, in the form of two Class 150s with 152.41 leading proceedings. And 152.30 bringing up the rear. Lovely. Again, as parting is the heavily delayed 1519 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. As we also have coming in a Transport for Wales Class 150. I'm hoping to catch one of the converted 319s at some point. So we have 152.54 coming in. No idea where she's come from or going, because the times that I'm checking on real-time trains seem to be a little bit all over the place at the moment. Lovely. Okay, after being held for quite some time, we now have incoming a terminating cross-country service from Gloucester. As we also have incoming a Transport for Wales Class 170 as well. So this is worked by 170-110. Oh, she's coming over here, is she? Right, oh, hello. Well, there goes another Transport for Wales Class 170 Turbo Star. I'm at a loss. I don't know where these are coming from or going. Well, I've got 170-207 coming in and 170-205 leaving. Yeah, the one coming in hasn't got anything on the LED display board, so I can't really say. There's something on the back of that, but I can't read it because the sun's right on it. I'm doing well here. I'm basically just showing you trains coming and going without actually giving you much information. Sorry, I was just looking behind me to see if there's anything on the LEDs of the rear part of the other 170, but there wasn't. Okay. Right, if I can, and this is going to be a very, very big if, I'll see if I can't add some sort of information onto the screen for the relevant services if I can find the information. And again, this is a very, very, very big if. So if you're watching this and there isn't the information below, I do apologise. But I'm looking at real-time trains, or I'm using real-time trains for all of my information, and I've got trains all over the place. I really don't know what's going on at the moment, so I'm going to try and play catch-up with myself and try and do as best I can for you. So yeah, do bear with me. Okay, now leaving 15 minutes later with the 15:30 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. The 170s were coming to and going from Ebbvale Town. The 150 that came in was the 1541 to Bridgend. So got 158-750 at the front of this and 158-760 on the rear. We also have coming in a Great Western Railway Thames Turbo unit, a duo of them. This is from Portsmouth Harbour, terminating here at Cardiff Central, so leading proceedings will be 166-210. On the rear is 165-130. Again, that's Paddington is 170-110 with a 1545 cross-country service to Gloucester. Making a right old racket. Okay, the next train to depart is going to be the 1546 Transport for Wales service to Bargoed. I apologise if I'm getting this wrong. Probably am. This is worked by 769-002. It's weird seeing a diesel 319. That's what it is. It's pretty cool though. I like seeing them repurposed. Saves them being scrapped, you know, make use of what you got. Also coming in is the 1546 Transport for Wales service to Penarth, worked by 769003. Almost completely empty for the most part. Okay, and over there is going to be a very late running 1523 Transport for Wales service to, I believe, Bangor. Worked by 158918. Okay, as the sirens go, I had nothing to do with it. We have incoming the 1544 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea, worked by 800 320. Next calling point after this will be Bridgend. We also have incoming 15264 with the Transport for Wales service bound for some far and distant land. Oh, with a rainbow as well. And a poppy. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 1600 Great Western Railway service starting here at Cardiff Central to Taunton. Worked by the Great Western Castle sets. So leading the proceedings will be 43027. I'll get the rear power car when she departs. Right, incoming now is what I believe the 1555 Transport for Wales service from Aberdare to Barry Island, worked by 15240. The other Transport for Wales 150 was coming in from Treherbert, terminating. That sun is right in the wrong spot. Okay, the next train to arrive is what I believe the late running 1540 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven, worked by a pair of Class 175s. So in your proceedings is 175109. With 175004 bringing up the rear. Okay, now departing is the 1600 Great Western Railway service. Oh, brilliant. Well done, sir. 1600 service to Taunton with 43027 leading with one hell of a driver. Also incoming is 153922, bringing one of her classmates in from somewhere. On the rear is 43022. And on the rear of the Transport for Wales service is 153367. That's probably up there with some of the best tones I've ever recorded from a driver. That was absolutely cracking. I mean, if you're going to do it, you may as well do it with a bit of fun. Well, I was wrong about the freight, because incoming is a DB Cargo UK Class 66 with a steel train from D Marsh reception sidings to Margam. That's what you turn there from the driver, thank you very much. Courtesy of 66085. It's got one of those different fuel types on board. What I love about the steel trains are that there's no one consist that is exactly the same. They've all got little mix and match up wagons on. Like what we've got here, we have, what wagon type are you? Well, this one's a BYA wagon, apparently. Hand operation only to slide those, makes sense. What type are you? Probably screaming me right in the face. Not entirely sure. I mean, this wagon is French. That one there, the middle one that you can see, is German. That's French. This one is... Where are you from? You're from France as well. So you're a French wagon of origin. Oof. Lovely. Nice squeaky brake time. A little bit of paintwork could probably be done on that. It's a bit green. Also, what I do love is that some of the wagons have, you know, some of the names removed, and other ones, clear as day. You must just leave them all be. Oh, we're off. Nope, no we're not, I thought we were. Never mind. Okay, now departing is 152.30 with her classmate with the 1605 Transport for Wales service to Treherbert. .241 now being on the rear. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 1618 Transport for Wales service to somewhere I can't pronounce. I apologise. Maysteg? 17208 gets the honours. Maysteg? I really have no idea. Oh, blimey. Yeah, you know, well, you know where it's going. I mean, you know, M-A-E-S-T-E-G. Yeah, I don't know. Me, you, him, her, Jim, Phyllis. You know, one of those places. Yeah, Destination Phyllis. Yeah, why not? Yeah, don't ask. Just don't ask. You're not going to get a sensible answer. Okay, our final train of the day is going to be the 1616 Transport for Wales service to Penarth, worked by 150.285. And as she makes a bit of a racket heading in, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed your scene today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Thoroughly enjoyed my filming here. Butchered some pronunciations. Nothing new there, to be fair. Actually, I was quite happy to catch that steel train. I really wasn't expecting anything to turn up. And then this showed up, so win-win on that one, I think. My next station is going to be Shrewsbury. Never filmed there before, no idea what to expect, but I've had loads of people ask me to go there, so I'm going to give it a crack. And then once I've done Shrewsbury, I'm going to go to... where are you going to go? Yeah, you see, you've said now, you've committed. Yeah, bugger. Where are you going up to Shrewsbury then, Chief? That is a very good question. I know, have you got an answer? No, not really. Do you think you'll have an answer by the time you go to Shrewsbury? Maybe. Are you sure? Well, you know, you want to plan, don't you? Yes. Oh, dear me. And just because I've not seen him for a while, pigeons, there we go. Oh, and just like that, the steel train's heading off. Down to, on his way to Margam, so I may as well get the rear of this. And then that'll be that. But yeah, my next station will be Shrewsbury. After that, I will probably then go to Chester. So, until next time, from me here at Cardiff Central, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.